how to change or delete music in post after posting in Instagram. So first of all, you'll have to open your Instagram account from here. So simply open it. And from here, you'll have to click on the profile icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So from here, you will have to choose the post whom you want to add music or delete music from there. So simply I'm choosing this post. Okay, so like you can see, I have not added any music on this. So I can also add music on this post. So simply for that, you will have to click on this three dot just at the top right corner of that post. So simply click on that three dot. Okay, so simply from here, you will have to go with the option edit. Okay, so like now you can see on the edit option, you will got options like add collaborators, add locations, add music, and add a label. So simply from here, you will have to click on this add music option. Okay, so from here, you can add your specific music whom you want to add on your Instagram post. So simply you can also search it from here, or as usual, you can choose the music from here. So like I will choose this music from here. Was okay, so I have choose the music from here. So simply after that, you'll have to click on this done option just at the top right corner of this screen. Okay, so like you can see, I have successfully added music from here. So likewise, you can also change or add music on Instagram. So hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.